Hi everyone, and welcome to our Liberty of the Seas full interior room tour. Our room was 3245 on deck number 3. Our room had the bed separated into 2 twin beds, but you can also get these put together to make one king size bed. Each bed had a nightstand beside it for storage, as well as a reading lamp above. If you haven't already, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have so many cruise vlogs posted, including our Liberty of the Seas vlogs. Moving on to the vanity area, you will realize that there is again lots of storage here. There is a little shelf above the big flat screen TV, as well as 3 large drawers. Royal Caribbean does provide a hair dryer, so you do not need to pack that in your suitcase. There is also a very large mirror with a light on top for some good lighting, and a large desk vanity area. There are 2 American outlets as well as a European outlet. To the left of the vanity area is again some more storage. You can also find a safe that you can set your own code to. Underneath that is the mini fridge. You can put any drinks that you need to keep cold in here. As we continue moving into the cabin, you will find the closet area. Again, there is tons of space in here. There is a large shelf up top, as well as many hangers to hang your clothes. There is also additional shelving on the left-hand side. Directly across from the closet is the bathroom. The light is placed on the right on the outside of the door. This bathroom is pretty standard for a cruise ship. You have a little bit of storage on the right in the shelves, as well as a sink, a toilet, and a good-sized shower. The shower does include a body and hair wash, but we often bring our own. Here is one last overlook of our interior cabin. We loved it. It was perfect for our 4-night cruise, and we thought the location was amazing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to go watch our Liberty of the Seas cruise vlogs.